Why does Quant need a cryptocurrency? People are always asking me, like, why does Quant need a cryptocurrency? And I think that this question a lot of times is very much rooted in sort of the greater fool theory, which the greater fool theory just basically says it only goes up because you're willing to sell it to someone else who is more foolish than you. This was kind of coined by Warren Buffett, right? To me, there is no difference between Quant and Amazon stock. Why does Amazon need a stock? What does Amazon do? Where does the value come from? People will say, well, because of the earnings, because other people saw how much they made, and that's what makes it valuable. But in reality, that's not true. The only thing that makes this $183.11 at the time of recording is because someone is willing to buy it at this price. Everything in life is the greater fool theory. What makes this house right here $4.9 million, $99 million in Nashville? Real estate is the greater fool theory. If everyone stopped selling, everyone stopped buying real estate, everything would go to zero. So that makes it the greater fool theory. Cryptocurrency is very much in your face about how the entire financial system works, but we've accepted real estate and gold and silver and the stock market as being something that is intrinsically valuable. What makes this silver valuable? This is the greater fool theory. This is worth approximately $23 as the time of recording this because people are willing, I am the biggest fool who has bought this up to this point. And hopefully someday down the line, someone will be more foolish than me to find this more valuable than I have. But everything in life is this way. Even my own kids, you could say, is the greater fool theory. I have procreated and passed on my genes as sort of the greater fool theory. But in reality, and the truth of the matter is, everything in this realm operates this way. Cryptocurrency is very much in your face about how you could say that the whole entire system is some sort of Ponzi scheme, and that might make you uncomfortable. But it is the harsh reality of how our entire financial system works. And the answer to the question of why does Quant have a cryptocurrency? The answer is the same reason as why does Amazon have a stock? What can you do with Amazon stock? What does it do? What does this magic internet money mean? It means nothing. It means absolutely nothing. But the reason that they have it is to raise capital for their company. And that is the same reason that Quant has a cryptocurrency. And in my opinion, this is the future. And I think that somewhere along the way is going to tokenize the entire financial sector, including stocks, including real estate. That is what an NFT realistically is. And I think the truth of the matter is the SEC is here to protect us, but are they actually protecting us? As with all of the short squeeze that were going on just last week with GME, AMC, and FFIE, all of these short squeezes, every single time, what happened? What happened was the brokerage got shut down. And what has the SEC done about this? Absolutely nothing. So who are they really here to protect? Does anybody really think that they're here to protect you and me? Or are they here to protect the people that have the most vested interest in making the most amount of money? I would argue the latter, and the SEC and utilizing the traditional stock market is extremely clunky, and I don't think they have our best interest at heart. And I think a trend that is going to happen in the future is going to be the quote ICO rather than the IPO, because the blockchain is public knowledge, or it's a public ledger for all to see, for all of us to see. It's much quicker. The money moves exponentially faster and is much quicker. And I think that this is going to be a trend for companies in the future starting today. And I'm going to give you an example of a coin that's already been doing this. All right, now here is a low market cap meme coin, by the way, that I am not endorsing. Okay, this is not financial advice. I am not being paid to talk about this, but this is an interesting connection that I made between Quant and Insane Labs, and they have a cryptocurrency. It's a meme coin of sorts called Labs. And again, this is not an endorsement on their coin. But what I do know for Insane Labs is I have known about this company as long as I have known about cryptocurrency. I've been seriously into cryptocurrency since 2016, and I have known about Insane Labs just as long, if not longer, because what this is a supplemental company. And what I was known for before cryptocurrency is some of my lifts at my size are, some would say on the ridiculous side of things. And this is their Instagram right here. I was using this pre-workout right here back in 2016. I Am God. This is a company worth millions of dollars. They have 139,000 followers because of their supplement company. And that's what they've decided to do. They have decided to create a meme coin to raise capital, just the same way that Quant has tokenized their coin rather than being a stock to raise capital. And I think that this is going to be a trend that we see in the future. And it's a very interesting one because this coin is very, very new. And again, I'm not endorsing the coin, but I'm making the connection. I've known about this company, Insane Labs, and their supplements just as long as I've known about cryptocurrency. And I think what they're doing with their company and creating a meme coin is going to be what other companies do in the future, because this is much quicker to sort of bypass the system, and the system is here to protect us, except not really. So who are they really protecting? I don't know. And again, I'm not endorsing this coin. It's just an interesting connection that I made between Quant. Why do they need a coin? And this company, Insane Labs, which I've known for since I've used their products off and on since 2016. I'm not currently using any of their supplements now, and this is not a paid endorsement, and I'm not endorsing this project. I'm open to doing a collaboration, but I'm not endorsing this project right now. I'm just making the connection between what they're doing and what I think is the future of what other companies will be doing in the future to raise capital. No different than Amazon having a stock. There is no value in Amazon having a stock other than what we give it, aka the greater fool theory. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Let me know in the comments what you think and follow me for more, you savages.